Let's complete an order for Dlivrd. Launch your app, clicking on it, then view your accepted orders, open the order up to 90 minutes before pickup time and at least 30 minutes before, you can go ahead and swipe "I'm on my way to the pickup." That's going to let us know that you're good to go and we can start tracking you. Tap that navigate button to get directions in your preferred map software and head on over to the delivery. Once you reach the pickup location, swipe that "I've arrived at the pickup." You can still view all the order details by clicking View Details, see things like the order number, any special pickup instructions, and the order value. Once you have that order, go ahead and swipe "I'm on my way to the delivery." From there, you can click Navigate as well. That's going to open up directions from the pickup to the drop-off. You can jump back into the app, and when you reach that customer, you can swipe "I've arrived at the delivery." Some friendly reminders there, using your hot bag, setting up the food, being polite, and any delivery instructions can be found on this page. Confirm those, and then you're able to add your delivery pictures. Make sure your pictures contain the food that you've set up or where the food was left. You can do it from your gallery or by taking a live picture. Be careful if you're in an area that doesn't have good service, it may get hung up. Swipe to complete that order and you can get a little synopsis there. How far you've driven, how much money you made, and then you're all set. Accepting an order has never been easier. From the notification, you're directed right into the order details where you can view the pickup time, pickup location, drop-off time, drop-off location, any delivery notes, and your total earnings. Swipe right to accept, then you'll get the confirmation page where it goes over some friendly reminders about being on time to the pickup and bringing your delivery bags. Once you swipe to confirm those, you are brought back into the screen and you can see it there under accepted. Don't worry, any time between the time you accept and the time of your pickup, you can view all those order details still. If anything changes on the order, it'll get updated right in those order details. Thanks for watching How to Accept a Delivery.
Earning Partner Education Series.